Hi everyone, this is Janet from Simply Hooked by Janet. Today I'm going to show you how I make an alternative magic ring. It's definitely different than how the typical magic ring is worked. But let me show you first about the slip knot. When you make the slip knot, the yarn that tightens the loop is the working yarn from the ball. And then when you make a magic ring, the yarn that tightens the loop is your tail here. So let me show you how I make an alternative magic ring. So I wrap the yarn around my index finger from front to back and then back across to the front, and then hold it in place while I pull it off of my finger. I basically created an X that I'm holding in place. Now pull the tail of the yarn through that loop that you pulled off of your finger. Pull the tail through that. And now you're going to form a different loop by tightening the strand that you just pulled through the first loop. Now the tail of the yarn can tighten the loop that you just made. So grab your hook and put it through. And now yarn over by pulling the working yarn through that loop and then chain one to secure. And that's how I make an alternative magic ring. So let me work some stitches around the ring so that you can see what it looks like once it's tightened with some stitches. So here's what it starts to look like. Then now let me start tightening it. Then I'll join with a slip stitch and then tighten it some more. And then that's how I make a magic ring. So you could call it an alternative magic ring or a reverse slip knot.